Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the React routing concept, how to use this React routing concept, how to create routing in React.js. So before that, what to install, that and all we'll look into this first. Let's install that. Just type this React router DOM. After that we'll get this one, go to this React router DOM, then copy this area React I means install React router DOM, copy it and go to here PowerShell and right click on that, then hit the enter button, then it's going to install and shown in this package.json, that is this one React router DOM. Already I installed, that's why it is showing, that's why I am not installing right now. Next step is, for after installation, then we need to focus on how to utilize that router methods. First of all, need to import a component and utilize this, that is browser router. It's a default browser router for a routing concept. After this one, whatever you want to keep, some components you can keep it here, that is header page and app router. Header page contains like if you go through this bootstrap 5 in this, let's check this navbar, how it is going to show navbar. Look here, it is home, docs, icons. This is one kind of navbar that we are going to implement here. See here, image and text. First of we'll take this and put it in our code. Before that one, we need to get this, what is this, control A, control X. First of all, we need to create REAFCE here, then we should access that in this. Import it, yes, import it, and what it is going to show, yeah, header page it is showing. That header page here nothing is there inside, and app router also just control A, control X, REAFCE. Then this one also we will import here, app router, close this. So two things we have in our hand, header page, app router. That too we should apply that container fluid container. Two things, what is the meaning of container and container fluid? Just we'll go through this, what we have here. Let's go to nav and tabs. This here is nothing is there, and we'll apply that container fluid. Here for header page we should apply that header bar from this H onwards to end of this. So for that, what we can use here, class name is, that is container -fluid. Let's check it whether it is correct or not. Yeah, it is applicable. Then next one is container only. For this we'll apply that container, CLASS, container. Later we can understand this, what is container, what is fluid. Yeah, that means here from starting page of this left side to right side until this part, entire page. Next part is that container means from some page onwards to some up to some page, that is, we can call it as what we can call it as, that is container. Let's go to some Google something, or W3 schools something. It's not correct. Okay, I'll show that one by one here only. Coming to this header page, what it contains. Header page, it is going to contain header part, nav bar part, that is, what is that? Nav bar in this, get it from here. This is the, we are going to copy this, Control C, and put it in that, in this place, Control V. And what we have in this img, we should apply that ending tag, then only the error will go. Alt Shift F, then we should give some class name here also. Here warning should go away with the slash if you apply that. Then navbar, we can see navbar, yeah, navbar means from starting from here to here it is showing navbar. So entire bar, if you want, just remove this, just you can remove this, you can use it as like a react.fragment, then it will apply for from, there is no gap start in the starting and ending. Then let's apply that image for this. Already we have some images in our code. Go to this, some images are available, just import them here. Import image name, what do you want to give? Logo something name, from within double quotes dot slash, if you apply, it is going to show the images folder. After that apply this logo. In this logo, copy from here and give this as a JS format, give the logo here, and alternate name you can give logo img, and size also you can give 40 and 40. Then we need to see this, it is showing that some kind of image and bootstrap something, and at the same time we need to change this class names in the React.js. So before that we'll apply class name for all. Before that we need to copy that class and nav bars. Right side we need to show that. Right side means like this. I'm going to copy this entire part, Control C, and apply here in the div area only. Already fluid is there, no, that's why it is showing entire part. After this anchor tag we'll apply that, and now we'll apply this remove hash. Here also remove the hash, and we don't want these two. Control X, Alt Shift F, and instead of class we'll apply this class name, Control F, rename, just click on here and give the rename CLASS class and name, and apply for all. That's it. Then it is ready with us. Now we are going to create some kind of logic, that is, instead of anchor tag we'll give the link like that. If you click on this link, what is going to show here? Actually active link or bootstrap, wherever you are clicking, we should apply that link here, link link, it's a React link, and import that one also. React router DOM, it is imported, and here also for this A, apply that link, and here also apply that link. That's it. This one is not required, this part. href also is not necessary now, it's not active. We can give name is home page, and this one is about page names. Here it's not required. Class name is also it's required, class name is required, no problem. And refresh this. Why it is not showing? Because href is not required here. That's it. Then let's check it. Refresh this one. Why it is not showing? Let's inspect it. What we have? Cannot read the properties of undefined reading path name. Okay, so here link to what? We need to give to equals to within double quotes slash home. Here also same, to2 equals to within double quotes slash home. Here also same 2. We should apply that. Control V. Yeah, it's going to show that or not, just verify. Yeah, it is showing. Refresh it and close this for now. Refresh it. So this part is header part is done. When you click on this, where to go we have mentioned, but pages are not available. So this above part is header part. Second part is app routers. When you click on home, it has to go to the app router and open that particular file, particular page. When you click on this home, no, it has to go to the app router. App router contains what we have. App router also we need to do some kind of, yeah, we'll do. Just remove this. We'll use that router routes. We need to import it. Imported. Within this we'll apply that route. Just import this route from this React router DOM only. Now it's not required. We Control Z. We should close it here. Shift and here we need to mention that path, path is equals to within double quotes slash home, and element is within curly brackets, element is home. Home we didn't create anything here. We should create something for home page. It's nothing is there. Home page already, yeah, we have something in this home page. We can import here home page. Yeah, first one just use slash, that's it. When you click on this, no, it has to go to the home page. Click on home page, it's not redirecting. Okay, it's not required here. This one we can remove this, Control X, then Alt Shift F. Now let's check this in the browser. Yeah, when you click on this home button, it is showing a home page. If you click on about page, it's not showing. So we need to arrange that, Control C, Control V, like this. It's not home, it's a about, ABOUT, about page. And here also we need to pass that about page only, ABOUT, about. Where is that page? This one, about page. Here about RA FC, nothing is there, that's why it is not giving that imported value. So we can import it right now. Yeah, import it. When you click on this home button, it is showing home page. When you click on about, it is showing about. So this is not a container, so we need to set it right as container. In home page, how we have done this, same thing for about page also we should do. Control V, and it should be a about page. Now verify that whether it is showing in the container area or not. Yeah, home page, it is showing when you click on home page. If you click on about page, it is showing about page. And if you click on bootstrap, for example, about page is there. If you click on bootstrap, it is going to show home page. And here the thing is that what we have in this app router, only two we have. So one more we can add, that Control C and Control V, Control X. Let's use and apply that here. Let's use this as just remove this home page. Let's apply this index here. So here what is the use of this index here? Just refresh this, and when you click on about, again refresh it, and you click on a home page, it is showing like that. But the purpose of that index is that, let's check that, let's verify that here. Here every time bootstrap you click this one, here it is showing home. After slash home it is showing. If you click on home, it is after so that it is showing home. After click on this about, it is showing here what it is showing, about it is showing here. When you use this, if you remove this one, when you hit this, what it is going to show, about, nothing is there. So that means if you remove this, what will happen, let's verify. Yeah, when I click on this, no, what is giving, nothing is giving. That means localhost colon 3000 means by default in this area, page area, nothing is showing. So to display that, what we need to do, just use that index. So even though if you don't use this, yeah, immediately it is showing, no, there is no slash home here, just hit it, by default home page it is showing. That means indexing the first home page here. Once again we'll check it, comment it, and go to the browser and verify this. After localhost 3000, nothing is there, that's why it is not showing default. If you want to show any kind of default, that you have to put it as an index, then it is going to show. Now we have mentioned the home page here, that's why the index default value is that, after localhost 3000 nothing is there, default home page is showing. That is the purpose of this index. So that is one concept. And we need to create one file, that is page not found. Okay, this page not found, how we can put it in this app router? Whenever the page is not found, then it has to show that page not found. Control C, Control V, and let's give that page not found slash, what can we give? If you don't mention anything, if you keep star in this path, nothing is found here, immediately it is going to hit this page not found. Here let's give that page not found. Yeah, imported. Now let's imagine, just keep it that comment line and verify that what is showing. By default nothing page is showing here, we are not giving slash home something. If you go give, home page will come. If you don't give anything here, what it is going to give us? Page not found. Likewise, any pages are not available, it's going to show that page not found. So by default, after this localhost 3000 home page we are showing. If you want to show about page also, you can show, just mention that in this area, in this index place you can mention about page, then it will show default about page when you open this application. So here it is working fine, and about and home. And one more thing is that we need to discuss that, that is a outlet, what we call that outlet. Just go through this bootstrap, what is the outlet here? Main concept, where is that main concept? Okay, getting started, not in this, yeah, in this, sorry, React router. Go to this React.js router concept, go to main concepts, and what he is saying this here, just wait a second, outlet, yeah, outlet means a component that renders the next match in set of matches. This is the outlet. Let's use this outlet means here, just go through this, where is that outlet? Yeah, this outlet, it's a component, we are going to use this outlet component. How to use this outlet component? If you use this outlet component, no, whatever here we are using, those will be executed one by one. That we'll see. Here about page is there, no? Let's open that child. In that child we'll use that about one, about two. Just route, route, route. Just copy this, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Then we'll use that about one here, about two here. What is the about one? Contains RAFCE will use, and about two also RAFCE, just snippet will use. And coming to app router, just import them. Here also this one import it. Yeah, two things are there, Alt Shift F. These two are children for this about. So in this case, what we need to do, we have to use that outlet here. Where I can use that outlet? After this, there is about page. Go to that about page. We should use that two links here. Just remove this part and use that outlet. So let's use that link first. React router link it is, and within this we will give that 2 is equals to dot slash double quotes within this slash about 1 ABOUT about 1 control C control V about 2, and here we should use that outlet, not output, control Z, outlet. So we need to create links for here. The two we should follow that nav and move this to down, Alt Shift F, and at the same time if you want to show them in the nested type of things here, just refresh it. Home, it is showing about. Yeah, if you click on about 1 or about 2, whatever you want, if you want to click on those, you should give the nested type of things. So we have to give some space here. Then what will happen? See, when I click on about 1, it is not showing any page. Nested type of routing we are going to apply. For that purpose we need to do that is, here we should mention the path ABOUT slash, here also same ABOUT about slash, and keep it that about here also same ABOUT about slash, here also ABOUT about slash, then it's final. And at the same time we need to give that here outlet, we should use that OUT outlet. It's a it should be imported, like here it is imported. So what will happen when you click on this bootstrap, and if you click on home page, home is showing. If you click on about is showing. If you click on about 1, it is going to show about 1 nested. It is one navigation routing and it is one more navigation nested, and if you click on about 2 also it is going to show this one. So if you want to show that without clicking any of these two, just about 1, if you click on about 1 it is showing. By default, if you want to show, here also same index you can apply here. Just use this control C control V. Over here we can remove this and apply that index. So whether it is giving that or not, just we'll look into that. Yeah, default, just click on bootstrap and click on about, immediately it is showing default about 1. If you click on this and click it and go to about here, and by default about 1 is showing because of this index. How we have learned this, like this also, here also same thing. For nested kind of things, if you want to perform, we should follow this outlet here, then only it is going to handle this nested. So at the same time, while you are showing that nested, for that about 1 information, if you want to show here, you should follow this index. So already we discussed that here. App, what we have here, browser, not only using this browser, this browser router, not only using here, you can use that index level also, control X index.js. Where is that? Here in this area, control V, use this close and move down and import it here. alt control spacebar, then I import it, and you can remove this from here. So index level, index.js level, it is going to work. Bootstrap, home page, about one, about two, it is changing, about one also it is changing. So you can use this browser router in index as well as in app also. This is a header page. It should not be enter into this header app router. App router is different. It is going to handle all the routes pages. Header page is constant for every component, for every home page, about page. This above header part is common, even these pages are changing below. So that's why we should keep that this header page above. After that, router pages. This router page will maintain all the pages to where to move. So in header part we'll apply that link, and this about also we have some links. Wherever you are clicking on links, it will go to this app router, then it will execute as per the path. That's it friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.